the discharge of the defendant on all the counts, the 15 counts filed against the defendants. And the court, in its wisdom, now reviewed all the charges and discovered that with the exception of 7 counts, about 8 counts appear to be similar, and those charges were struck out. Now, it would be also understood that in the argument of the defendant, the account that is reflected in the charges, when you go to the charge, you get to know all the counts. But all the counts relating to terrorism are really sustained by the court. And make heavy weather on the issue of rendition, and the court bluntly said that rendition in this situation is allowed, because rendition in criminal law, in criminal case, is allowed. After all, the defendant is under bench warrant, and anywhere he's seen, the law allows him to be taken and be forcefully brought to court, and that was what exactly happened. And again, with respect to membership of IPOC, which he denied, it was the argument of the defendant that the matter is on appeal on whether IPOC is a proscribed organization under the Nigerian law or not. The court also emphatically said even though the issue is on appeal, but what is in place is that IPOC still remains a terrorist organization within the confines of Nigerian law. And immediately thereafter, they moved another application for bail again, which the court ordered that both applications be taken, and arguments were preferred. And it was also in their argument that Nnamdi Kanu had never flouted any of the conditions of the bail. And we have argued vehemently, showing to the world, showing to the court that he has actually flouted all the bail conditions. And that was the reason why the court has ordered for his revoked bail and ordered for his arrest. And it was also our argument that what we should be talking about is contempt of court, not even issue of bail anymore. And we are awaiting the response of the court on the next adjourned date, which the case is now adjourned till the 17th, 18th, and 26th of May 2022 for ruling.